all today. Yes, my darlings. Woohoo! Hello, my darlings. How are you? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, for those of you that are coming back, my beautiful, gorgeous regulars, I am so grateful that you decided to spend some time with me. Today, we're going to have fun. Yes, my darlings, because we are going to find out yet again, you know how it is, all about makeup and taking it off. One size. This is Patrick Starr's brand. Congratulations to Patrick Starr. I know that he's now even gone on to produce colors, got palettes, he's got powders, primers, but I want to know whether his makeup mist is up to par. Is it FDV approved? We need to find this out. And then of course we've got the wipes. He talks about these big gorgeous wipes. Let me just bring it in closer for you guys. It says Go Off, juiciest makeup remover wipes ever, and it has all of the details there. And then here you have the Go Off, and this, my darlings, is the dissolving mist, the makeup dissolving mist. That's what he says. Available at Sephora. That is where his brand is. I think he also has a website. And this episode is sponsored by London Loves Beauty. London Loves Beauty is a fabulous website here in the United Kingdom, and it caters to everybody internationally, and you can find all kinds of goodies there. When I tell you, I live for that website. Ula's not a fan because it takes his money. Me, on the other hand, well, I already told you I have an addiction. So today's episode is all about taking it off. Yes, yet again. Let us see. I'm really curious about this Go Off, because he had talked about how when he started off, he was at MAC and some manager came to him. It's always those, you know, that always want to bring you down, and told him he has to take off all of this makeup. It wasn't good for him. The customers, they were intimidated. You're a man, you're a boy, you're a male. My son has long hair. I have no intention of cutting it anytime soon. How about that? Leave them, let them be, let them grow, let them evolve, let them find their way. There are no limitations. I don't like that. I don't like that. And I found that it was always, you know, guys that were saying that to other men that were in the industry of beauty, skincare, fragrance, hair. Why? This is his gift. This is his talent. Let's encourage them. Let them flourish. Let them lift. Let's lift them up higher and be what they are supposed to be on this green earth. I have a boy. I'm sensitive. That's what this is all about. Okie dokie. I've got my what? I've got my can this rotate? What was this? Okay. So let us zoom in, shall we? So it says right here, an epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. Are you listening to this? Alrighty. Infused with calming jojoba and brightening rose hip oils, makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. Our concentrated water-free formula creates a no-drip super slick surface for the ultimate makeup removal. Directions: spray 8-10 inches away from face until it's really evenly coated. Massage into skin and gently wipe off. To remove your full beat face of makeup, pair with Go Off juiciest makeup removal wipes, cruelty-free and vegan. He thought about this, apparently. All right, so these are the wipes. Yeah, these are the wipes. I also have wipes. Well, there are wipes in this house. I have a 2-year-old. These are my Huggies. These are my Huggies wipes. These are my Huggies wipes. And these are the Patrick Starr wipes. They kind of look the same, but we're in England. We do things differently here. These are my Huggies. These are his wipes on the side. I don't know how many he has in here. 21 wipes. 21 wipes. And the Huggies have 56 wipes. You know, because we can't assume. We can't say, oh, well, Huggies is bigger. Well, how many wipes are in Huggies? Numbers. And the iron of it all was that I was rubbish at maths at school. Rubbish. But when it came to counting money, all of a sudden, I could count. Why am I laughing? Why am I laughing? Alrighty, so let us start, shall we? So this is the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. I'm so excited. Let me take off my velour lashes. I just got them too. Let me take my lashes off. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we got those off. Let's put that in its case so I can find them again. Ding! And then let's take off the earrings. The drama of it all. And let me swish this hair so that we don't have it in the way. I love having my hair like this. My best friend, Christina, she's amazing. She's like multi-talented. She's a stylist. She's a mother of twins, mother of 3. Her daughter's a nurse. And she's just simply amazing. And she does my hair for me. I intend to keep my hair in protective hairstyles for the year. Lips. Okay. And we go. Wait, let me just get this. These are the wipes. And then we're going to take the seal off. First time experimenting. And then I think you're supposed to punch this. Let me punch this in. Oh yeah. Okay, let's bring out a wipe and compare it to a regular wipe. We should do that first, right? Okay. Oh yeah. I don't even have to. This is huge. This is huge. And let me show you my Huggies Pure Sensitive. There you go. And this is the regular wipe. He's right about that. So this is the size. See the little print of my Huggies wipes. And then this is the size of his Huggies wipes. Yeah, huge. Okay, so we have that ready. And he said the juiciest wipe. So he had to have thought about this and done his research, right? Yeah, we got to give them that, you know. And then we spray. So we take this off. Bada bing. I love this. I love that it has a red spray. And we're going to turn it around and spray. It doesn't say for how long though. Oh my God. I don't even know where to start. It is so light that I didn't know whether it was on my face. So that's positive. I was surprised at how it, oh yeah, take it off. Already. Okay, I feel like it's going to drip, so let me try the big juiciest wipes, yeah? My God. Everything is taken off. Everything very quickly too. It broke that puppy down. Remember on the last episode when I was telling you how I wear black eye pencil because I really like to test, because black is the most difficult to take off. This took it right off. Right off in one clean sweep. Would I buy this again? Yes. The wipes or the mist, both. The wipes or the I didn't even need to pull this out. I should have kept it because that really took off everything. There you go. It took off everything. In real time, I haven't cut anything out. skin doesn't feel dry. My eyes don't sting. It doesn't feel itchy. My skin is not reacting. There's a slight fragrance. There is a slight fragrance. Again, not overwhelming at all. Juicy. It is. Very moist. Very, very, very moist. Very moist. Wow. All right, I tell you, it's FDV approved. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. As you very well know, this is my job. I wear makeup all the time. All the time. And so for me, I like when I can get it all off. I can also travel with this. That's another thing. Just throw it in my bag and I'm done. Congratulations, Patrick. I love this. I absolutely love this. It's available in Sephora. Try London Loves Beauty. You might find some goodies there too. This is lovely. This is lovely. The wipes are gorgeous. He's right. Big, fat, juicy. Super, super duper moist. And this was like a mist. It reminded me of, I tell you, Morphe. Morphe Continuous Mist. Where is it? Oh, it's all the way in there, all the way in there. Voila. Okay, this is the effect, yes? Hear it, quiet. Yeah? And then Morphe. Let me just do it again for you. So it's that same kind of mystifying feeling. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this little episode, my darlings. It's not a long one, but there are so many more coming. I love this. Congratulations. Congratulations, Patrick Star. I love this. Yes. It is so fabulous. Ula, do you want to try some?
No, I'm okay.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place.